It looks like Ghana is trying to smooth things over with Burkina Faso after the Ghanaian president said something about Burkina Faso that upset them during the African-US summit that was held just last week. And honestly, Burkina Faso has every right to be upset because president of Ghana told on, its neighboring country to the US. What good does it bring? And plus, Burkina Faso says it's false. The reason why there's even any friction between those two countries is because Nana Akufo-Addo accused the Burkina Faso government of working with a Russian mercenary group named Wagner, some people connected with Russia's President Vladimir Putin, but he says he has no connection with them whatsoever. So Burkina Faso was upset. They were like, why is our brother throwing us under the bus, saying we're working with the Russian mercenaries, and he's also accusing us of giving them access to our mines. So they were rightfully upset. Now it looks like Ghana wants to mend that relationship because Ghana sent their national security minister to Burkina Faso to repair the diplomatic rift. So that's why they were upset, and Ghana and Burkina Faso had a good relationship thus far, and there's no need to ruin that and speak about each other in a bad light in a world forum like that. We don't assume or expect the US to have our best interest at heart. If you have concerns like that, I believe the appropriate place to mention this and talk about it is the African Union. If you're not going to do that, it's going to look bad. It's just going to put more pressure on Burkina Faso. They're already being kicked out of the trade agreement that is between US and African countries. They're already being ridiculed by the EU. They're already in constant, back and forth with the United Nations. So, it was not nice. It would have been better if Ghanaian president went to Burkina Faso or directly, called for a meeting to have through the African Union. So now it looks like they're mending their relationship, which we love to see because we don't want to see our brothers fight, and for sure not in front of the world. So I'm glad they're working on their relationship. Anyways, fam, let us know down below what your thoughts are about this. I am Wongel Zelalem. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.